An aerial view of the Luma apartment complex in Salt Lake City, Utah. Text: equal housing opportunity. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, stone-inspired countertops, storage shelves, and storage cabinets. The living room features wood-inspired flooring and a desk nook. The bedroom features a walk-in closet area. The bathroom features wood-inspired flooring, a stone-inspired countertop, a large vanity mirror, and a combination shower and bathtub. Lounge chairs and pergolas surround an in-ground pool and patio area. The green space adjacent to the in-ground pool and patio area features a fire pit table, a cornhole game, a grilling station, chairs, and tables. The gym features treadmills, ellipticals, stationary bikes, and weight training equipment. An outdoor patio area features plush chairs, a sofa, tables, a television, and a fire pit table. The recreation room features chairs around circular tables, as well as a foosball table. The lobby area features a staircase with illuminated stairs and seating areas built into its sides, a balcony area, and large star-shaped golden metallic chandeliers. The beverage bar area features booths, a television, and self-serve beverage stations. The mailroom features sections of mailboxes in rows. An aerial view of the Salt Lake City skyline that surrounds the Luma apartment complex. Views of a megaplex and various restaurants. The banner on an upper exterior level of one of the Luma apartment complex buildings reads, "Now leasing."